look at that. Man's a pizzaiola. You always say myself, Big Zoo, you know the vibes. I'm always thirsty for more, so I've teamed up with Twisted again to give you food-loving football fans the marquee signing you've all been waiting for. Match-winning pizza. I'm gonna give you a kiss as well. You can take the boy out the city, but you can't take the city out the boy. I'm back on home soil, you guessed it, I'm in the big smoke. And I'm in the red part of North London to see if I can make the perfect pizza for a big game night. Nice to meet you, man.
Pleasure to meet you.
I'm Big Z, what's your name?
I am Mo, Big Mo.
Big Mo! Where you from, Big Mo?
Originally Moroccan.
Maghrebi. What is the name of this beautiful place?
Volare Pizzeria.
I've heard that this place is the place to be on a match day.
When there is a game, I get booked up 2 weeks before even the game starts. The atmosphere is amazing, the food is beautiful, the wine is flying. It's amazing.
What is the fan favorite when people come in? What's the pizza that people love the most?
It's a Genovese.
Genovese.
It's amazing taste.
Can you show me how to make it?
Of course. Very good semolino. Here we go.
Look at that though. There's a lot of love.
You need to give it a gentle touch.
Take care of it.
Take care of like you taking care. I can't say anything else.
But we all know what you meant. It's about to get floury.
We're gonna put some pesto, fresh with olive oil.
Mo, you're not making it easy for me, man.
I know.
He looked me in the eye and said, I know. Parmigiano.
Parmigiano, a
Parmigiano.
little bit of some beautiful cherry tomato, Italian, marinated chicken.
I just want to eat it. I can
You
eat it raw.
You will, no, don't eat it raw.
Okay, sorry.
All we need is some fede latte.
Fede latte.
Yep.
Straight from here.
Fede latte, a little bit of parmesan.
Oh my days, look at that.
Look.
All right, wait. I have to make mine.
Of course.
And obviously, because we're in the ends, you know, I'm feeling inspired. So I'm thinking to make a Greek gyros pizza.
Ooh, you're scaring me now.
Come on, bro. You don't think gyros can work on a pizza? But it's me, the biggest of zoos. I need to go to the streets and go get the ingredients. Do you know where I can go?
There is a very close market. You walk in there, you'll find anything you like.
All right, cool. I'll tell them Big Mo sent me. If you've ever been to London, then you know that every area has a good old-fashioned market. So I bopped round the corner to Nag's Head Market to grab some ingredients for a match-winning pizza. How you doing, boss man?
Hi, you're right. How you doing, man?
You okay?
Yeah. How can I help you?
Can I get 4 thighs, boneless, with no skin?
No problem.
Thank you, bro. Ali, where you from?
Iran.
Iran?
Yes.
Kubi!
Kubi.
Kubi Shatori!
Shatori, good man.
Come on, G.
There you
Brother,
go.
have a nice
Respect,
day,
yeah? Look after yourself.
See ya.
Good man.
I made a couple of quick signings. I got some chicken, I got some halloumi covered in honey, I got some olives, and then I've got a beautiful Greek salad as well. Big Mo, you've been so kind. I feel like you respect me as a chef, and that makes me very happy.
Don't mention it, you are the best chef.
Don't gas me, Kai, you know what I'm saying? Okay, we can start working together. Big Mo, Big Z together, Pizza Chronicles. Okay, Greek gyros, yeah? We gotta have a Greek salad, yeah? But we wanna make it pizza friendly. We got some feta. We're gonna have triple cheese on the pizza. Ooh, triple A, I know it's a lot. Then we got some beautiful sliced onion.
Tomatoes.
Beautiful cherry tomatoes. Bit of salt. Then we got some oregano. Or as they say in America, oregano. Squeeze a lemon. And then we got some olive oil. And let that sit in a corner and this will go on top of our pizza at the end. Put it to the side. And by the way, I soaked my onions as well in some water. So you don't cry. I don't want you to cry.
I know you think about me too much. Thank you. Not that way.
Listen, me and Amul, this is our first day together, but I feel like I've known you for 50 years. Throw it. You're gonna throw it or no throw?
I will throw it.
Come on, throw, one throw. Hey! Now we've got a beautiful base. Do you know what I mean? And then I'm gonna do the half, because that's what you did last time as well. What's the name of this mozzarella?
Italian fede latte.
Fede latte. Oh my God, you can feel the fede
soft,
latte.
how-
We don't want too much.
That's it.
Because I'm gonna put another cheese on top, and then I'm gonna put another cheese, triple cheese. We get a handful of this beautiful, oh my days, this is chicken thigh. So what we're gonna do, in true Greek style, is get the honey with the cheese. Halloumi vibe going on the top.
Caramelized pizza, oh my God.
Exactly. And then let me get some olives just to finish it off. Look at that.
Give me a hug. Nice hug, you're the best.
I am gonna give you a kiss as well. Aye,
What?
Mo, you're trying to convince me to live here, and I'm almost there. But right now, it's a pizza war, so we're not friends.
No worries.
Stop being my pal. Greek gyros on a pizza. All we gotta do is get in the oven. Shall I do it? I'll do it, yeah. Oh, okay, I didn't need that.
It's okay.
And I will paint the roof. stop helping me, man.
Go.
Okay, I'll put it in the oven.
Go on then.
Let me do it.
Go for
ready?
it. Go. Whoa. There you go.
Come on, G. Come on. The man's a pizzaiolo. Pizzaiolo.
Pizzaiolo.
Pizzaiolo.
Pizzaiolo.
Come on, G.
Look at that.
Okay, Mo. Now I need to finish my pizza. Sorry, your man marking me. I was gonna get. Okay. Now I need to finish the pizza. So we get a bit of this salad. I'm gonna drain off a bit of the juice.
Yes.
So let me get the tzatziki. This is what's giving it the true gyros. Greek gyros. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Thank you, man.
Thank you.
And then let me get the dill, please. Some would say this could be a deal breaker.
Go on.
I wanted a bit more. No. And there you have my Greek gyros pizza. Mo, please get your pizza in the oven. Let's do this. Okay, now we have our pizzas. Yeah, the wonderful people at Pepsi Max have got us some pizza pundits. We're gonna test them and see which is the best pizza for a big game night and what pairs better with a Pepsi Max. Let's do it.
Let's go for it.
Let's do it, let's go. Hello. See you there? Man. I know. I didn't like the sound of the ooh on his one. It was a bit more ooish. It's fine. Okay, now I'm Big Zoo, this is Big Mo. We have two pizzas for you. Mo, do you want to describe your pizza?
It's an Italian Napolitan pizza. The base is a pesto, cherry tomato, marinated chicken, and fede latte.
And mine is a Greek gyros inspired pizza. You know, you've got marinated chicken on there, halloumi, feta, tzatziki, all that good stuff. Guys, tuck in. Try Mo's one first.
I've never
Nice
had.
cheesy flavour to it, like a strong cheesiness.
All right, guys. Don't get too full on his one. Yeah, come on, bro's finishing it. Come on, bro, take time. Leave some space. All right, guys, dig into the other one.
Just tuck in.
Let me know how you feel.
Is that yogurt on there?
A little bit of tzatziki, yes.
I like that.
Hey, see? There we go. Hey.
I'm hearing silence, which is good things. You've had a taste of both pizzas. We'll start with you.
I'm gonna have to go for this gyros, you know? That really did it for me.
Well done.
I really like this one, the pesto one.
I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was gonna be this one, but this is good. I don't know what you put in it, but it's good.
Yes!
Exactly.
Let's go!
That's it.
Come on! Sorry.
Thank you.
I want to cry.
Thank you.
I smoked it. What can I say? It's legendary moments. I never thought I'll be here back in London just getting W's, but that's what I do. Mo, incredible man. Humble in defeat. He looked me in the eye and he said, Zoo, you deserved it. He said some other things as well, but I can't talk about that. If you want to know the true home of football and food, I'm taking on different pizzaiolos in other cities. I best know I'm coming for that dub.